We all know that investing in stock market is subject to market risks and the return can vary very widely. If we see the annualized return, that is the CAGR for the period November 2015 to May 2021, it is 13.5% for Nifty, which is the benchmark for Indian stock market. Do you know that there is an investment option which gives more or less the same kind of return but with a lower risk or no risk? It is nothing but sovereign gold bond or SGB. Welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Today, let's talk about sovereign gold bonds, the latest issue, and the return which anyone would have got if they had invested in the first ever issued tranche.
I mentioned no risk in the long run as the same is evident from the gold price movement over the last 50 years. Gold price has always increased in the long run. Let's talk briefly on sovereign gold bonds. These bonds are issued by Reserve Bank of India and are benchmarked with the prevailing gold price. These bonds come with a maturity period of 8 years with an option to redeem after completion of 5 years. This redemption facility is available every 6 months after the 5th year. Please watch my detailed video on sovereign gold bonds, the link of which is provided in the description box below. Let me give you an overview of the return which a person would have reaped if he had subscribed for the first ever issued tranche of sovereign gold bonds, which was issued in November 2015. This issue has come up for redemption in November 2020 after a period of 5 years, and the second time in May 2021 after a period of 6 months from November 2020. In November 2015, the first tranche was issued at a price of Rs 2684 per gram. This has come up for the redemption in November 2020 and again in May 2021, as I have mentioned earlier. The redemption price is fixed by the RBI at Rs 4837 rupees. This translates into an appreciation of about 80% over the issue price of Rs 2684 per unit of sovereign gold bond. This leaves the investors with 80% gains with average annualized return of 12.5%, that is the CAGR. Nifty CAGR over this period was 13.5%. So, if you are someone who is looking to diversify your portfolio and would want a minimal risk based investment, sovereign gold bonds is the answer. Though there is a lock-in period of 5 years, these can be traded in the secondary market and are hence liquid. The third tranche sovereign gold bonds 2021-22 is open now and you can apply till June 4th, 2021 as informed by the Reserve Bank of India. The price for 1 gram of gold is set at Rs 4889. A discount of Rs 50 is applicable on online application and thus the price is 4839. The bonds would be issued on 8th June 2021 by the RBI. The following returns are expected out of this. Number 1, return of 2.5% per annum payable half yearly. Number 2, capital appreciation on redemption. A point to be kept in mind is, though these are tradable in the secondary market, if you do so, you will have to bear the capital gains tax. It is advisable to hold them for the full term of 8 years in order to enjoy exemption from capital gain tax. So, rather than holding physical gold which is prone to theft and comes with lower realization on account of making charges, wastage, etc., and also One has to keep in mind the questions raised on purity. It is a good to invest in sovereign gold bonds.
Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.